The summer sun was already high in the sky as Ellie and her teammates arrived at the beach for the annual Girls' Summer Volleyball Challenge. As members of Air High School team, they were eager to showcase their skills against some of the best players in the region. Ellie had been looking forward to this day. Summer. This was more than just another volleyball tournament. It was her chance to play the game she loved with her best friend Mia and possibly catch key eyes of college scouts. Their team, the Sand Sharks, had been practicing relentlessly, perfecting spikes and setting drills on the sands of Dorset Beach. The tournament organizer blew the whistle, signaling the start of the games. The Sand Sharks' first match was against the reigning champions, the Coastal Queens. As they took their positions on the court, Ellie felt a flutter of nerves. Mia gave her an encouraging nod. The game began with Mia's powerful serve, cutting through the sea breeze, and the Sand Sharks quickly took the lead. The match was intense. Coastal Queens fought back hard, their spikes almost as fierce as the afternoon sun. But Ellie and her teammates were unyielded. They countered every move with robust blocks and clever plays. The crowd cheered, energy infectious. Point after point, the game edged towards a nail-biting finish. With the final score hanging in balance, Ellie leapt for a crucial blow, sending the ball spinning back over the net for the winning point. The whistle blew, and cheers erupted. The Sand Sharks had defeated the champions. As her team celebrated, Ellie felt a rush of pride. They had all pulled together, played their hearts out, and it had paid off. Today was volleyball. It was about proving to themselves what they were capable of as a team. The Girls' Summer Volleyball Challenge had brought out the best in them.